Welcome to the weekly look ahead at the markets with ETX Capital. This week, of course, it's all about the general election in the UK, and markets will be paying very close attention to the polls to see whether Labour really can close the gap on the Tories ahead of the vote on Thursday. We've seen the pound jump around quite a lot in recent days on the various surveys that have been coming out, and chances are that volatility will spike as we approach the vote later in the week. Investors still seem pretty confident that Theresa May will win, but if Jeremy Corbyn shocks, it could be a rough day for the FTSE and on the FX markets. We're hosting a special general election trading webinar on June the 7th and another on June the 9th covering the aftermath. You can check the education section of the website for details of how to sign up to those. And meanwhile, on Thursday, it's the European Central Bank meeting and press conference with Mario Draghi. All the chatter is about the ECB looking to tighten, but the ultra-dovish Draghi is probably going to disappoint the bulls on that front. Hopes of a continued uptick inflation were dashed last week. We've actually seen the rate fall back to 1.4%. The more closely watched core rate, which strips out all the volatile items like food and energy, dropped back to 0.9%. Nevertheless, we might just get the ECB altering its outlook and refrain from saying that risks are tilted to the downside. The Reserve Bank of Australia is also in action this week. It's due a policy decision, but it is not expected to change rates. That's all for now. Check out the blog for the latest analysis on the election and follow us on Twitter for the latest updates on the markets.